everyone. How are you? I hope all are fine. So today is our maths class, right? So today we completed, last class we completed full 8 chapter we completed. Am I correct? Yes. Semester 2 book we finished. So already I said what we have to do the worksheet and we have to do more sums. Like that I said, right? Yes. So today we are going to see the worksheet sum. So 7th and 8th chapter is very easy. Yes. So we are going to see chapter 6. Okay. Chapter 6 worksheet 2 page number 113. We are going to learn chapter 6 worksheet 2 page number 113. That meters measurement lesson is little difficult and you are studying in this semester only. So once again I am recalling all the sums. Okay. So just listen carefully. So here you have to see convert the following to meters. So the question is in centimeter. So in centimeter two types are there, right? 0, 0 like that will also come. 550 the number will also come. Like that two questions are there. From that you have to identify the meters. Okay. First I said already, if you are converting the following into meters means what you have to do? Which formula you have to learn? Yes, 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. That one you have to learn, right? This formula you have to learn. That is 100 centimeter. Now I am going very slowly. So just listen carefully. Okay. So 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. Okay. 100 centimeters equal to how much? 1 meter. So see here. The question is 800 centimeter. Am I correct? 800 centimeter. So first what you have to do, what I said, first you have to see the number. This is what? 8. That you have to put here. Into this 20, right? So 100 centimeter. So if it is 800, 700, 600 like that means what you have to do? You have to do first what number is given, that number you have to write here into 20, right? This is 100, right? 100. So 100 centimeter. Then 8 into, already you know, 100 centimeters equal to how many meter? 1 meter. So you have to write 1 meter here because 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. Then you know the tables, right? 8 ones are 8. So you have to write 8 meter. So centimeter is given, you identify in meter. Am I correct? Yes. So once again listen carefully. If it is 800 centimeter or 500 centimeter, last 0, 0 like that it will come. Means what you have to do? You have to do, see here 8 into, first you have to write this sum. Question 8. So if it is here, if it is 3 means you have to write 3 like that. Okay, 8 into, here 100 centimeter. 0, 0 is given, so 0, 0, 100 centimeter. Then again you have to write this 8 here into 100 centimeters equal to, already we learned 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. So you have to write 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. So 8 into 1 is equal to how much? 8 ones are 8. So we learned this model. Am I correct? Yes. Again you have to see 500 and B sum. 550 centimeter. So this is not given as 0, 0, right? 50 is given. So no need to worry about that. Okay. First what you have to do, if it is 550 centimeter means what you have to do? Yes. See here. First you have to write 550 centimeter. Okay. So is equal to, this is 5. You have to split this 550. So 500, this is 100, right? This is tens, this is ones. So 5 is 100. So 500 plus this is 500, centimeter plus this 50 centimeter. Okay, you have to split. If not 0, 0 is not given means what you have to do? You have to split 500 centimeter plus this 50 centimeter. Okay, so this is in the hundreds place, so you are writing 500. Then already you know 500 means, if the question is I said 800 centimeter means you have to write the number into 100 centimeter. Like that only we are doing. 500 centimeter, like this you have to split. So 500 centimeters equal to what? 5 into this 100 centimeter. Okay, plus this 50 centimeter you have to write. Understood? Then it's equal to same this model. Okay, then this 5 you have to write into 100 centimeters equal to how many meter? Already here you learned 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. So you have to write 1 meter plus this 50 centimeter you have to write here. The next one, 5 ones are 5 meter. No need to write this plus. Write 50 centimeter. So what is the answer here? 5 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, you have to split like this and do the same step here. Okay, then this 50 you have to write like this. Okay, understood? Now everyone understood this centimeter into meter, how you have to convert like that. Two models are there, but the two models is very easy, because if you split this one, it will be very easy like this model. Okay, understood? Yes. Then see the next one. Convert the following into centimeter. Convert the following into centimeter. Fifth sum. Okay, so the question is in meter, you have to convert it into centimeter. So for that, what formula we are going to use? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. What formula we are going to use? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 100. So shall we start from the first sum? 4 meter. So from this 4 meter, what you have to do? First, what I said, that number you have to write. 4 into. Am I correct? Yes. 4 into that meter you have to convert, right? 4 into this meter. 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100. So you have to write 100 centimeter. Is equal to 4 into 100. If you are multiplying 100 into 4 means what? 0 into 4? 0. 0 into 4? 0. 1 4 is 4. So 4 into 100? 400 centimeter. Okay, otherwise you have to write this 4 here. Then 20 you have to write. If here 30 means 30 you have to add. Like that you have to do. So 4 into 100 centimeters equal to 400 centimeter. Very easy, right? Yes. For example, once again I am telling, if it is 3 meter, this is example I am telling. Okay. So 3 meters equal to what you will do? This 3 you have to write here. 3 into this meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 into 100 centimeters equal to 300 centimeter. So it's very easy, right? 300 centimeter. Okay. So now just listen. Be some little different. 5 meter 90 centimeter. Meter is given and centimeter is given here, but only meter is given. But here you see meter and centimeter is given. So no need to bother about the centimeter. First you have to concentrate the meter. Okay. So what you have to do? See here. 5 meter 90 centimeter is equal to. What you have to do? So 5 meter means first from this same step. 3 meter is there. Like that you have to write. This 5 meter. So 5 meter means 5 into 100 centimeter plus this 90 centimeter. So 90 centimeter. Okay. The next one, 5 into 100 centimeter means 1. What? You have to write 5 into 100 centimeters equal to 5 into 100, 500 centimeter plus 90 centimeter. So both are in centimeter. Am I correct? Both are in centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to add. So 500 plus 90. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 9, 9. So here 0. If no number is there, you have to use 0. So 5 plus 0, 5. So what is the answer here? 590 centimeter. Understood everyone? So what you understood from this? You have to learn this formula I had to do. Like this means no need to worry about this 90. 5 meter you have to convert. Then you have to add these both and write this one. Understood? This is the answer. So today what we learned? Meter and centimeter we learned, right? Centimeter also 2 types are there. With that 2 types you will learn. Then in centimeter also we learned, right? Meter and centimeter. So today I am giving this little portion only. Okay, understood? So you have to learn. Then I will give homework for you. Just copy it. Okay. So first see here, convert the following to, you have to do it in the, so see here, from this you have to do the homework. Okay, convert the following to centimeters, that is 6 meter and 2 meter 50 centimeter. Then convert the following to meters, 600 centimeter and 552 centimeter. Okay, you have to do as a homework. You have to copy it. Okay, so see here, the centimeter you have to convert this, write it down. Okay, 6 meter and the B sum is 2 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, take a note and copy it down. You have to do as a homework. Then you have to convert into meters, that is 600 centimeter and 552 centimeter. Okay, so today I am giving only meter and centimeter, right? So listen carefully and do the work. Okay, okay students, thank you. Bye bye.